My name is Honey. I'm from Pharma department. Today my topic is emerging trend in air transport. Let's start with the introduction. Aviation industry or the air transport industry is booming like anything. It is one of the fastest growing industry in the world right now. With the growth rate of 18% per year. India has jumped to the 5th position in aviation industry with 454 aircraft and 454 airports and 1091 registered aircraft. In 2020, India is expected to handle around 100 million of passengers and around 3.4 million tons of the cargo. Worldwide, per day, 80897 takeoffs occurs per day worldwide. Mode of transport. As we all know, the major mode of transports are road transport, rail transport, air transport, and the water transport. Previously, in past, road transport and rail transport were given more preference for the transportation and traveling. But nowadays, rail transport and second is the air transport. But in future, it is expected that air transport would be the most preferred way of transportation, and then the railway, because as we all know, the airfares are lowering down day by day, and it is as cheap as AC class of the railways. Next. Air transport has evolved like anything. As we know, from Wright brothers to right now, we know what the evolution has occurred in air transport. Emerging trends, the main topic, emerging trends. In marketing, nowadays in aviation marketing, customers are given the most importance, and their delivery of the satisfaction and safety to the customers is most important. New technology is emerging day by day. Nowadays we can book the tickets of the air transport by internet also. Certain in British Airlines, they provide a hotel room booking with the booking of the air transport tickets of their airlines. In previous days, it was not possible to access internet while flying, but nowadays it is possible, and it is possible to use mobile phones also. Another thing in air transport. As we all know, fuel prices are increasing every day. So several airline companies add fuel surcharges on the ticket booking or the airlines to compensate with the fuel cost. Recently aircrafts like A380 and A474 has launched, and they are providing facilities like they are providing bars, gymnasium in the aircraft. That is something like we cannot even imagine they are providing such facilities in aircraft. In India, if say in India, Terminal 3, which is just inaugurated in July 2010, is connected to metro, high-speed metro, from Delhi Center to metro, from the T3 Terminal 3.
4 minutes.
Okay. And as we know, day by day new airports are being constructed, and so the transportation is going to be very easier. Economic importance, it facilitates world trade, it facilitates export and import. It is very necessary for the tourism. Just-in-time delivery, it helps in just-in-time delivery, as new airports are constructed in Jharkhand and Nasik. We can now export our products very easily and very conveniently. Influencing factors, we can see liberalization, globalization. Per capita income is also increasing, and tourism is also promoted every day. And LCC, that is low cost carriers, are also emerging. Challenge is natural disaster and global safety and security threats and resource crunch is the challenges. And the conclusion, as being optimistic, the growth rate of the aviation is very good, and we expect it to grow day by day with a strong impact in the world. Thank you very much.